A lot of companies don't actually plan, and then they wonder why things aren't working or not moving and not moving the direction, or their team is not aligned. So just start. Pick a framework that aligns with you, and then knowing that you're not going to get it right the first time.
Oh, man.
But you have to get momentum. You have to start.
As an investor, you've worked with a lot of different companies, and given the wide array of industries and folks that are here today, what's your best advice for making annual planning effective?
Best advice is start.
Okay, let's get this masterpiece started.
A lot of companies don't actually plan, don't set goals, or they do it very haphazardly, and then they wonder why things aren't working or not moving and not moving the direction, or their team is not aligned. So just start. Pick a framework that aligns with you. Like I said, it's kind of all the same with a different name, whatever one resonates with you the most. I personally love OKRs just because they're simple. OKRs stand for objectives and key result. Objective is that bigger, lofty goal. Your key results are your measurables, and then all your projects, initiatives, and something et cetera are under each key result. And each key result has an owner. Picking a framework and then knowing that you're not going to get it right the first time.
Oh, man.
But you have to get momentum. You have to start. Iterate every quarter, run a retro. How did we do? What went well? What didn't go well? Okay, the next quarter, you're better. I generally say when you're starting out, don't try to do full annual. Start with quarterly. You may have higher level annual projections, but start with quarterly goals. It just helps keep focus and then gets you faster iterations on how to improve. There's a book that's called Radical Focus. It's a short book that's written like a fable. It's around the OKR framework, but it's one of my favorite books that helps put it in context. I think it's easier to understand strategy and strategic planning within a story.
Once upon a time.
And they tell OKRs through that lens. And so pick a framework that aligns with you, try to learn as much, and then do it on a more frequent cadence as you're getting off the ground, because that'll help you iterate faster and get really good at it.